my stupid heart. Don't know, I tried to let you go so many times before. Then wound up back into my stupid heart. Too late, already on my way. If you got your friends, I'll get that new cup in my stupid heart. Heart, whoop, whoop. Okay.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
我们今天来到苗栗的观雾什么？哦，雪霸国家公园观雾游客中心。那这边的海拔有2000出的海拔。